Hi, my name is Valerie Ballou, and I'm going to be doing an eye exam video today. So for the start of the video, we're going to go ahead and go through just some general observations. When we do our general observations, we're looking for anything abnormal, especially in a bilateral comparison. He has two eyes, so that's good. He usually has one normal eye and one not normal eye if there's injury going on. So we are looking for any redness, any inflammation, any pus formation, also any bleeding, either on the outside or on the inside. Also any misshapen irises or anything that looks abnormal in comparison to the other eye. Also we're looking for any like crusting over, like a lot of tear production and things along that line. Alright, so that's as we can see with him, he doesn't have any of those for the general observation. So now we're going to go ahead and go into our general palpations. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to start the zygomatic process, coming all the way in. And then we're going to kind of reach up and get into that orbital fossa a little bit. And we're going to go over top. Here's eyebrows, and up into his, in the front. Let's pull your hair back a little bit there. Up into the frontal bone as well. Does that bother you at all?
No.
Okay, alright. Now we're going to go ahead and go into our pupillary reaction test, or PEARL, sometimes they call it, or also to the pen light test. So how that'll work is we'll cover one eye, gonna flash the light on, flash it in, look for the reaction, then take it off, and then vice versa. And then take it off. Alright. His pupils were equal and reactive to light, so that was positive. Now we're gonna go ahead and go through our eye tracking test. The point of the eye tracking test is to make sure that his eyes are moving equally, and also that they aren't catching on any certain directions, because that could indicate an orbital fracture or possible tear to one of the eye muscles. So we're going to go ahead and go through that now. Okay, so Francisco, I want you to look at this pin, and I want you to follow with your eyes. Make sure you're not moving your head with it at all, or in your body, okay? Alright, here we go. As you can see, there was no bouncing or any catching at all, so that's normal as well. So now we're going to go ahead and go into our Snellen eye chart. So we're going to go ahead and stand up for that one. And how the Snellen eye chart works is it's on distance. You know, see from a distance. So for this chart, we're having them stand 10 feet away from the line, and we're going to go ahead and have them read our chart. Let's go ahead and start with our left eye, okay? Let's go and cover that right eye first. There we go. Alright, let's go ahead and read line 2.
DVOH.
Alright, line 3.
OHBCK.
Line 4.
HZCVKO.
Line 5.
NCKHD.
Line 6.
DHOSZ.
Line 7.
BRNDO.
Line 8.
CZHKS.
And line 9.
OHZSX.
Alright, so he missed on that one. So now we're going to have him go back up to the line above. Alright, can we do line 8 for me?
Which one?
Line 8?
Can you point it?
Second to last, right here.
CZHKS.
Alright, so his vision is 20/25. So that means that he can see from 20 feet, well, most people can see at 25 feet. So that means he's better than average. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump to the other eye. There we go. Alright, go ahead and start at line 2.
DVOH.
Line 3.
OHBCK.
Line 4.
HZCKO.
Line 5.
NCKHD.
Line 6.
DHOSZ.
Line 7.
BRNDO.
Line 8.
CZHKS.
Line 9.
I can't read it.
Can you read it all?
No.
Okay. Alright, so then we will go with line 8, and that shows that his eyes are 20/25, which same as before, it means that he can see at 20 feet what most people can see at 25 feet. Alright, so now we're going to go into both eyes. So go ahead and let's start at line 3 this time.
OHVCK,
Line 4,
HZCKO,
line 5,
NCKHD,
line 6,
DHOSZ,
line 7,
BRNDO,
line 8,
CZHKS,
line 9.
CHZSK,
Alright, let's go ahead and go back up to line 8.
ZZHKS,
Say that again.
CZ, C as in cat, Z as in zebra, HKS.
Alright. Okay, so that shows that his double vision is 20/25, which is the same before, means he can see at 20 feet when most people can see at 25 feet. Alright, so that completes our Snellen eye exam. So now we're going to go into using the light to see his retina and fovea and more distal aspects of his eye. So Francisco, can I go ahead and have you sit down for me? Alright. So we're going to be using this tool today to calculate the distal numbers and the proximal numbers. The proximal numbers, what you do is you go ahead and turn on the light, and you're going to make a fist and put it about a few inches from your head. You're going to use your eye, and you're going to look through the lens. And so for me, I sit at 0 for anything up close, so black 0. Okay, and for any distance, what we'll do, we'll find something kind of farther away, like the corner of the room. And so I will look through my lens. Usually most people are in the reds. So for me, I am a red -2. And that's where I see most clearance. So now we can go ahead and start our retina and fovea exam. So what we'll do is we'll place the hand on the side that we're going to use. And we're going to use the same eye that we're looking at. We're going to get very close. Alright. Now we're going to look more at the iris with the red, excuse me, -2. Alright, everything's nice and clear. So we'll go to the other side. Alright, everything is clear for that. And it's a -2. Alright, everything's good to go. And that will be the completion of my eye exam video.